What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today we're creating a portrait illustration of Super Shadow. Let's begin today's lesson all the way over toward the left side of our page and draw an oval in an angle for the nose. So we're going to start from the outside at the very top, come down, and then back up towards the top. Now on the top left side, let's draw a small circle for highlight. And we'll fill the bottom area of the nose in black. Let's go over towards the right side of the nose. We're going to draw the top edge of the muzzle. We're going to go across, bend this down, and we want to bend this back up towards the cheek. Let's round up the cheek, come down towards the bottom. Now I want to pull this around and then up underneath the nose. Let's add the mouth over on the right side. So we're going to start down here, curve this up and then out. And I want to tuck the mouth in underneath that line. So coming around and then up underneath. Let's draw a straight line going across the middle. And then on the right, draw a straight line coming down. And we'll fill this area in black. Now over on the left side, we're going to draw the edge of the brow. We're going to start up here and then come down, round this out, and pull that up. Let's work our way across the top of the eye. We're going to go up and then bend that out towards a point. Round up the side of the eye, and then pull that in on top of the muzzle. Now let's add that trim across the top. Starting up here, it's going to round this out, and then come down. Let's tuck the left brow in underneath. So we're going to step down, curves down and up. And we'll want to bend the eye going up and then out. Let's tuck the eye in underneath. So we're going to start up here, round up the eye, and pull this in towards the nose. Now it's going to add the edge at that point, coming down and then in. Now I want to enhance the brow with a fold. So we're going to start from the bottom, I'm going to go all the way around that point, come in and then down. Let's move over on top of the right eye, go up above that point. We're going to bend that down towards the side. Now inside the eyes, we're going to pull the iris and pupil towards the right. So let's start underneath the brow, draw a half oval, coming down and then up. Now all the way over on the right side, right up here, we're going to draw a full oval, coming down towards the cheek, and then back up towards the top. Let's draw a smaller oval inside the pupil. Add a small circle across the top for a highlight, and then we'll fill the bottom of the pupil in black. Let's go over towards the left side. I'm just going to trace out the bottom and fill the pupil in black. Now directly above the brow, we're going to add the ear. Let's start on the left. We're going to go up and then across towards the top of the ear. Bend this around the side and then down. Now let's trace the ear along the inside. Starting with the left, going up and then down. And we'll close off the bottom with a curve. On top of the left brow, I'm going to curve the head going up in behind the ear and then out towards the top spike. So let's start up here. Then it's up, go across in behind the ear, continue over on the right, going out towards the end. Now I want to pull this down. We're going to come in and then down towards the side of the head. Now I'm going to go back and draw in the left ear. Let's start on top of the brow. We're going to bend this out and then up towards the tip. Round up the ear, come down and then in. Let's go to the center of the forehead and add that thick stripe. So we're going to start down here. We're going to start with a point. Bend this out and then up toward the top of the head. Let's go back down. We're going to draw on the inside, coming in and up behind the ear. We're going to go all the way up towards the top. I just want to taper this out towards the tip of that point. Now there's two large spikes along the side of the head. So from here we're going to step up, bend this out, and then up, come all the way down towards the bottom of the spike, and bend that in. Let's add one more spike, going out and then up. Now I'm going to pull this up underneath the head, coming down, around, and then up. Now on the top of each spike, we're going to add that stripe. Let's start from this line. We're going to go out and just taper up toward the point. Let's add one more along the bottom. Let's sign out art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Super Shadow from Sonic 3. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each week where I'll try to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.